Legal positivism versus legal realism. Have you ever wondered how laws are created and applied in society? Today, we will look at two important theories that explain the nature of law: legal positivism and legal realism. These theories offer different views on how laws function and how they relate to ethics and morality. Legal positivism is a theory that sees law as a system of rules established by social institutions like legislatures and courts. According to this view, law is known as positive law, which means it is based on social facts and sources such as statutes, regulations, and judicial decisions. Legal positivists believe that these sources are binding on judges and officials. They provide clear rules that must be followed. However, legal positivists also acknowledge that the law can sometimes be incomplete or unclear. This means not every legal dispute can be resolved solely by law. Despite this, positivism emphasizes a clear separation between law and morality. It focuses on law as it is written and enacted, rather than what it should be. On the flip side, we have legal realism. This perspective emphasizes how law operates in real life, especially in court decisions. Legal realists argue that law is not a fixed set of rules. Instead, it is flexible and influenced by the personal experiences, biases, and social context of judges and lawmakers. Legal realists believe that many legal sources, including statutes and precedents, are often permissive rather than strictly binding. This means judges may interpret or even create law based on their policy preferences or societal values. Legal realism sees law as dynamic and shaped by real-world factors, rather than just abstract rules. When we look at ethics and morality, these two theories highlight different aspects of the relationship between law and morality. Legal positivism separates law from morality. It focuses on the authority of law as established by social facts and institutions. This suggests that evaluating the ethics of law is a separate matter from its validity or enforcement. In contrast, legal realism acknowledges that moral and social values influence legal decisions. Judges bring their own perspectives and community standards into their interpretations. This view aligns with the idea that law cannot be entirely separated from ethical considerations because human judgment and societal context play critical roles. In practical terms, legal positivism provides a framework for understanding law as a system of rules that can be studied and applied objectively. This is essential for legal certainty and predictability. Legal realism, however, offers insight into the complexities and moral dimensions of legal decision-making. It recognizes that law in action may differ from law in books due to human factors and social influences. So, in essence, legal positivism emphasizes law as a set of binding social rules distinct from morality. Legal realism focuses on how law is applied in practice, shaped by judges' interpretations and societal values. Both perspectives contribute to our understanding of the ethical and moral dimensions of law, with positivism highlighting rule-based authority and realism emphasizing the human and moral elements involved in legal processes.